Hello CIS scholars, how are you all and how was your vacation? I hope you enjoyed a lot. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, before vacation we already finished 2 lessons from our students book. So today in this video I am going to continue first lesson of our workbook. First lesson of our workbook is Tony and Tutu's Home Zoo. In this, we will read about one story about 2 boys, and that 2 boys are brothers, Tony and Tutu. Okay. It was a rainy day. The street in front of Tony and Tutu's house was filled with water. On their way back to school, they saw a wet and shivering puppy. Okay, Tony and Tutu, when they were coming from school, they saw one wet and shivering puppy. So, why that puppy was shivering? Because it was feeling cold because of rain. Because its body was wet, so it was feeling shivering. It was feeling cold. Look, Tony. Who said look, Tony? Tutu. Look, Tony, it seems this puppy has got lost. It looks sad and cold. Let's take it home, said Tutu and lifted the puppy in his arms. So Tutu felt bad for that puppy, that why this puppy is looking sad and this puppy is feeling cold. So let's take this puppy to our home, Tutu said to Tony. The boundary wall of the backyard overlooked a large forest patch where Tony and Tutu were strictly forbidden to go. Tony and Tutu, their family were transferred to this new place, and the boundary wall of the backyard of their house backyard overlooked a large forest patch where Tony and Tutu were strictly forbidden to go. Means their parents they strictly said not to go to that area because that area was very near to forest. Being skinny and dark, the dog got its name Chocolate. The puppy to whom they took inside their house, they named that puppy, and because of dark brown color, they named this puppy as Chocolate. Soon Tony wanted fishes for his 9th birthday, and so came the fish bowl with a pair of goldfish, which he named as Fatty and Flappy. After a few days, what happened? Tony's birthday was there to come, and Tony wanted fishes for his 9th birthday. Now Tony was grown up and he wished to get fish on his birthday. So what happened? His father gifted him fish bowl with a pair of 2 goldfish, and Tony named them as Fatty and Flappy. Okay, 2 fish, 2 golden fish in a fish bowl, and he named them as Fatty and Flappy. Then one day, while returning from his friend's place, Tony brought a dozen of fishes in a plastic bag filled with water. Soon their father got an aquarium to house all the fishes, and the boys filled it with pebbles, ferns and a water pump. Yes, scholars, you have to read first worksheet of your workbook thoroughly so you can get all answers of the questions which I am going to send you. And here you see what is written, that first his father gifted him bowl aquarium, in that 2 golden fish were there, and after some time what happened? Tony brought dozen of fishes in a plastic bag filled with water. From where he brought? From his friend's place. Okay, and after that what happened? His father brought an aquarium, and Tony kept all that fishes in that aquarium, and after that that 2 boys, both brothers, they filled it with pebbles, ferns and a water pump. Filled it means it is here aquarium. They decorated this aquarium with pebbles, ferns and water pump. In a few days, the white and brown street cat decided to adopt the family. Every day it would come and stretch itself on their father's car bonnet, and Tutu gave it a bowl of milk. The garage became Tom's, the cat's den. Okay, after a few days, what happened? That one cat decided to adopt the family. Usually what happened? We are keeping any pet. Okay, but that cat, brown street cat, she decided to adopt this family, Tony and Tutu's family. Every day what happened? That cat comes and stretch itself on their father's car bonnet, and usually Tutu gave that cat a bowl of milk. So what happened? This process was continued, and after that what happened? The Tony and Tutu's father garage, that garage become Tom's, the cat's den, cat's house. So Tom, whose name Tom's? Cat's name Tom. Okay. One evening, the kid found Tom and Chocolate mewing and barking at an old crate in the driveway. When Tutu looked inside the box to check, he said, "Oh, it's a rabbit. Tony, look." Then what happened? After few days, one evening, Chocolate and Tom, Chocolate, whose name Chocolate? That puppy's name Chocolate, and Tom, whose name Tom? That cat's name Tom. So cat and puppy, they both were mewing and barking on someone. That someone, who was that someone? That someone means it was rabbit. Okay, so Tony looked and Tutu looked and he called Tony to look that rabbit. "No, it's a wild hare, must have come from the forest. Let's take him inside and give him something to eat." So they fed Bunny, the rabbit, some carrots, and he did not leave. So what happened? Now they kept that rabbit also to their house. On that rabbit, who were mewing and barking? Tom and Chocolate were mewing and barking to that rabbit. That rabbit must be come from the forest area. But that Tony and Tutu, they decided to keep that bunny, that rabbit, to their house. The following Sunday, Mom and Dad decided to have a picnic in the forest patch behind and explore the place. By the evening, Tony had captured some grasshoppers and fireflies in a jar. Okay, fireflies means the flies which are having light at their back. And grasshopper, you must have seen grasshopper, green color with big tentacles. Okay, so when they went to the forest area for picnic, when their family went to the forest area for picnic, then Tony captured grasshoppers and fireflies in a jar. Tutu had spotted a tiny turtle which had soon made its place in the aquarium. So Tutu, he kept a tiny turtle, he spotted tiny turtle and decided to keep that turtle in their aquarium. The ducks in the forest pond also sneaked into their backyard and made a ruckus every afternoon. Tutu took to feeding them an evening meal. Okay, then ducks from the forest pond also sneaked into the backyard. Sneaked into the backyard means they were making noise, and every afternoon they were making noise, and Tutu decided to feed them evening meal. Okay, so from the forest backyard, what they brought? Fireflies, grasshopper and ducks. And when Mom decided to make a food timetable for the animals, Dad walked in with two more surprises. Then they had so many animals at their house, so Mom, what she thought? To decide a timetable for the animals, to decide food timetable for the animals. And on the same day, Dad brought two more surprises. What was that? A baby monkey found near the railway track and named as Mr. Tickle. Who brought? Father brought baby monkey. And a talking parrot gifted by his friend and named that parrot as Mr. Mimic. So his father brought Mr. Tickle and Mr. Mimic. "Let me add Mr. Tickle and Mr. Mimics to the pet food timetable list," said their mom. "Sometimes I feel I am living in a zoo." Who said this? Sometimes I feel I am living in a zoo. Tony and Tutu's mother said, because they had so many animals at the home. Okay children, Related to this worksheet, we have some questions on page number 13 and 14. As you have your textbooks now, so you can see on page number 13 and 14 you have questions related to this comprehension. So you have to read this comprehension thoroughly so you can solve these questions. I am just solving 2 or 3 here, rest you have to do by yourself. Afterwards I will send you solutions, but you have to try once by yourself. Read the story and complete the sentences. When you will read that story, that comprehension thoroughly, you will get answers. The street turned into a dash because of the continuous rain. The street turned into a rivulet because of the continuous rain. Rivulet means a kind of small river. The puppy was wet, and because its body was wet, he was feeling cold and shivering. Okay. So next question is, answer these questions. Whose home did the garage become? Whose home? Cat's. Okay. The garage became Tom the cat's den. What was the view from the boundary wall? Their house was near the forest area, right? The boundary wall of the backyard overlooked a large forest patch. So in this way, all answers you will get in the story, you have to find and write by yourself once you try by yourself. Okay.